Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. If you're an old friend, hey, I hope you are doing well. You can see here I've been shopping, so it's all about organizing stuffs that I've found. I want to share with you, if in case you want to organize stuff, so you can check the shops that I've been picking this from. So first of all, get your cup of tea, chill down, and let's do this. Yeah, I've got mine here. This is calm, so it's still hot. Let's put it on. So I'm gonna start with Home Sense. So I picked this candle up from Home Sense. I hope this camera is gonna do me justice and you'll see it. Yeah, and it's the vanilla one, and I'm burning the lavender one already. It's $5.99 for this one. I love this one. It smells very nice. So if you want some candles, you can check out from Home Sense. If you want some candles, you can check from Home Sense. And second is organize this box. This one is $5.99. I've already put some stuffs in here. This is I was looking for somewhere to put my table setting stuffs, so I picked this up to put my napping rings and things like that in there. You can keep anything you want there because I've got a lot of them around the house. This is $5.99 for the small one, and for the big one, this one I put books and stuffs in it around here where the bookshelf is, because I don't want them stuck on top of each other. And to be fair, the big one too is $5.99. So, well, this big is $5, the small is $5.99. So I think it's because of the color. And still on the Home Sense way, I want to make my coffee station around the end of the kitchen, and I picked these shelves from Home Sense. This is $29.99. It's quite nice, so if you want something for your children's room, for a shelf, anything you want, you can use it for anything, to be honest. So that is that from Home Sense. I think Home Sense is coming back a little bit. Mind you, I got all these lamps from there too, which was quite nice. So one more thing, this one is from the range. If you go to the range, the wedding, where they have the wedding stuffs, yeah, this one is there. Well, I think it was about 2-3 left, and I grabbed this one. I'm going to use it for my organize in the kitchen area, and I'll show you what I use it for. So this one, and yeah, so I'm done with the Home Sense one. So and I picked this beautiful one out from Home Sense again. No, this is B&M, guys. So this is from B&M. Look at this beautiful lady here. I'm gonna stick it in the dining area. So this is $12.99, and it's quite big enough for $12.99. So if you want some pictures or wallpaper, things like that, you can check B&M. So guys, coming back to B&M. So I picked these storage containers for my baking stuff. So this is, I'm going to use it for my baking stuff, sugar and stuff like that. So I'm going to put this here. And this one, guys, I saw one in Amazon for £10. And I was like, this is too expensive for £10. But I found this one in B&M for £5, and I grabbed it because I want to do this water challenge that is going on. So I want to try and see if I can drink a whole of this in a day. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I think it's gonna be in the night because I work at night. So I'm going to drink it at night. It's not gonna be in the day because during daytimes I'm sleeping. So it's gonna be a day. So check B&M is £5, and I think Asda too is £5. So, and I saw this being containers that I'm going to use to organize under my sink, and I will do a video about it because everything is everywhere there, and sometimes you want to know if you organize things, it makes it easier to find. So these ones are £2 each from B&M. Guys, they've put a sandwich on top of this, but to be honest, who will put a sandwich in here? I don't think this, it's not a sandwich bin, it's just something you can store some. So I'm going to use it for my storage. So I pick about, it's same thing. I pick about 5 of them for my, yeah, so I got the small one. The small one is £1.50. I pick the small ones and I pick the big ones. So, and it can stack on top of each other, so that makes it great, so it won't slip. So that's what I'm going to use. So if you're looking for anything to organize your stuffs in, check B&M because these ones are new there. I haven't seen them there. It's new, so you can check there and you will find some. If you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. You can hit the subscribe button. My humble plea for this month is please, please, please help your girl reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll be very grateful. I'm going back to do my cleaning and organizing videos. I left it a little bit, but I am going back to do it because my phone was playing up, and that is the reason. So we are going to go everything done. So God bless you. Stay safe. I hope you take one tip out of this video, and